Good afternoon and welcome to another stream. My name is David and you are all welcome to another day of Stonksy streaming. Thank you for everyone who's joined so far. We got 15 in. Do make sure you drop a like on the stream. Let me share my screen as well. Spitting a few bars there. Yes, welcome everyone. Let's see who we've got in the chat so far. So we got RN with the first comment saying, "Good morning, lads. Good morning, lads and ladettes." We've got George loving the wee shopping cart music going do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. We've got Crypto Bro saying, "Let's go." Yes, let's go indeed. We've got Crypto Bro again saying, "Currently in a small Bitcoin chart." Is it shart? Shart. I hope you've not sharted yourself, Crypto Bro. I hope that's not happened. A small Bitcoin short. We've got Arvin saying hello to you, Arvin. I've never seen you in the chat before. Welcome. Do make sure you subscribe and thank you for joining the stream. We've got John again, daily resident viewer, saying afternoon all. Good afternoon to you. We've got my friend who's out in Cambodia, Yonksy, saying hey, hello to you, mate. How are you doing? We've got Richard with the GM. Good afternoon to you, Richard, actually. It might still be morning for you, but it's 4 minutes past 12 for me, so it's good afternoon now. We've got Mike saying afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to you, Mike. And we've got Aqua saying good day. Good day to you. Thank you very much for joining. How's everyone doing? Let me know in the chat how everyone is doing. And what have you been trading? What have you been trading since yesterday? Yeah, I kind of want someone to say something because I really hope that my mic isn't playing up again like last week. Someone please acknowledge anything that I've said there just to make sure, because I've not had one comment that's gone with anything I've said so far. So someone please let me know that you can actually hear me. Oh, here we go. Thank God. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for saying that. I was thinking no one had said anything about anything I'd said so far. I thought, oh no, not again. We've got Let's Go saying, hi everyone, move from the field. Move to you, mate. Move to you. We've got One Road saying good morning. We've got, I do not know how to say that name, but good morning to you, legend. No trade, but my portfolio is up. Well, you can't really ask for much more than that, can you, Mike? That's good to know. You said shart. I did. I said, Crypto Bro, you're in a shart, which I hope you've not, because you want to go and change your pants if you have. But yeah, stop. All good, mate. Andy says, stop talking about sharts. I think, Crypto Bro sharted himself, so sound and stream all good. Well, that's good to know. That's good to know. And we got this nice, long on Bitcoin on Stonksy as well on the 1 hour that opened yesterday, which is good. Let me see. I'm on the wrong one here. Should be on live stream. There we go. Yeah, we got this nice long that opened on the 1 hour. Did anyone catch this? Meowing, says Mitch. Meowing. Could you please look at Stonksy for dot? I can do that for you. Dave, I got a question about BLOFIN. When you get a chance, hit me. Hit me with it now. Hit me with the question, Mr. Tickle. Let's go over to BLOFIN, actually, because my Sol trade from yesterday, I actually kept it open. And we are currently just over 5% in profit. Obviously, it's a very small trade because this is just a bit of a mess about account. Where's this come from? $21. Where's this come from? I'm not sure what's happened here actually, because where is this $21 come from? Let's go and have a look actually, because I don't remember depositing 0.442 Sol. Yeah, that was last week. Where's the other? That's interesting actually. I don't know where this other $20 has come from. Unless it's a bonus, maybe off BLOFIN. Maybe it's a bonus off BLOFIN. It must be a bonus off BLOFIN because I've not deposited anything else. So that's nice. That's nice. We could maybe add this to the Sol position. So should I add it to the Sol position? Or should we open a real degen trade? Should we do 100x on something with this $21? I'm guessing it's like it must be a bonus off BLOFIN because I've not deposited anything else. So I've got $21 extra. Should we add it to the Sol long, or what should we do? Let me know in the chat. Maybe we could do a real degen trade today and just 100x something. I got 300 plus from BLOFIN today. All right, okay. Got an email with a BLOFIN bonus for $70 odd. It says to use on futures and has to be used within 7 days. Any ideas on any restrictions? How can you? Well, that's literally just what I was covering as well. A bonus. Is that what I said? Did I say bonus? Everyone keep the stream PG. A bonus. I didn't even realize I'd said that. Mr. Tickle, use it. I was just literally, that's exactly what I was just covering. I was confused then because I didn't know where that had come from. However, it looks like we've all got a bonus. BLOFIN should use that as their like slogan, shouldn't they, for giving bonuses out? A bonus. That's a good one there. So yeah, a bonus. That'd be an even better way of saying it. But yeah, well, enjoy it, Mr. Tickle. Use it. You could just use it on a few. What I'm guessing is yeah, you can use it on a futures trade. Just make sure you use it. I'm guessing, I don't know what will happen is, so when you open it, I don't know whether, like, say any profit. So say if you open a trade with that $70 and say you make $70 profit, I don't know then if they'll take the other $70 back. So then you would end up with a net $70. Do you know what I mean? I'm not sure. I'd have to go and have a look at the terms for it. But use it. You know, we got Spacey getting $300 plus. And there you go. So everyone who signed up to BLOFIN under the Stonksy link, there you go. It's another reason why you should have signed up, because everyone's got a nice bonus now. Or blonus. I have never had a blonus from BLOFIN. Well, there we go. Look at other tickets. Okay, Aqua. We've only just started the stream. We're only 12 minutes in. We're only about 5 minutes into me actually speaking. Let's everyone calm down a bit, shall we? Everyone, we've got ages. I might be doing a long stream again today. So, you know, easy goes. We'll all take our time. But yeah, everyone got let me just pop in the thing, yo, as well. Everyone, those who's I'm not even going to put it in, actually. I was going to put it in the Discord, but I'll put it in later. I wonder if Stonksy works on Pulse Chain. It works on anything that's on TradingView for 1AI. So it works on anything on TradingView. So, you know, all crypto that you can pull up on TradingView. It works on stocks, commodities, FX, everything. I meant to put the bonus on another ticket. Oh, well, there you go, Aqua. There we go. Well, let me know. What should we do? We've got $20 that we could be a bit degen with. We don't even have to follow Stonksy. If we don't want to, we could just have it as a fun part of the stream. Maybe we just like really go for something. What should we put it on? Let's see. What should we do? What should we do? Let's see. What's up the most? So we got this cat. Wow, look at that. Blimey. This cat coin. What else have we got? Peng. Thing is, we'll just get wrecked, won't we, on stuff like that? Maybe we just throw it on like 100x Bitcoin short or something. Maybe we try and short Bitcoin down. I don't know. What should we do? Well, I've still got 5% on this Sol trade too, which is not bad. Short Bitcoin. If you go on your profile image, top right, it says press coupon center there, but it doesn't have any details. It would have been part of the signing up on the Stonksy link. It would have been part of that. Just enjoy it. We've got Tomo in the chat saying hello, sirs. Tomo, have you checked your BLOFIN account? You should have a nice a nice bonus if you've been trading on the Stonksy link or TMG's link. Check out Mother. Maybe we put it on Mother, actually, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's check out Mother. Is it on? I hope it's on it. Yeah, Mother. I actually want to long this. Tomo, have you long this? Because I actually want to follow you on this. And I know you said about Mother. I kind of actually want to long this quite a lot. I was thinking about maybe putting a, because it's not really gone too much low between there, has it? So if you put a low leverage one on, so say if you used 3x for instance, let's see. So if you had, would you get liquid? You just about get liquidated there. Just about liquidated, get there. So there, it'd be about there. So say if you put a 3x long on from here, we get liquidated at 3.5, which is a fair drop, like, isn't it? It's a fair drop. I do kind of want to long this, yeah. I think it's really the only meme that's actually still got backing, hasn't it, by the person who created it in terms of the celebrity coins. Very long. That's what she said. BRC 100x short. Wait for Red Stonksy. Thanks for the bonus. Yeah, everyone, make sure you check your BLOFIN accounts. Check your BLOFIN accounts. When did the email come through? Can anyone tell me? When did the email come through today? When did the email come through? But I don't think, it will have been on email because it wasn't a coupon. It's not a coupon, is it? It's not a coupon, Mr. Tickle. It's a bonus. Oh, no, here it is. Yeah, futures bonus. Details. There's no details, but it will have been from the link that everyone signed up with. So very good. Very good. It's what we like. What are you targeting on this, Tomo? What you targeting? Because I might just go and drop a thingio on it. I got mine about an hour ago. Long rune with it. I might long this Mother with you, Tomo. What are you targeting? Is it not from the trading competition? Yeah, because that was part of signing up with the link, wasn't it? So part of signing up with the link, I think you got rewards and stuff. Is it not from obviously the link that we put out, signing up with Stonksy, which is obviously, it was then directly correlated with all TMG's prizes and stuff that he had going on. I think it's from that, isn't it? But I kind of want to long this, yeah, with you, Tomo. I kind of want to long it. I might join you. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Because obviously it's not been on BLOFIN. It's not been on when did it? Oh, no. Was this from release? It was, wasn't it? Yeah, this is from release, sort of. I do kind of like the look of this, to be honest. I do kind of like the look of it. The way it's come down and we're getting some compression now. I wonder how high it would go. Because she tweeted something yesterday, didn't she? She is still quite active in terms of like tweeting and stuff. I do kind of want to long it with you, Tomo. Because if I long it on 3x, my liquidation point would be down here. Which if it goes down there, you just say, don't you? Oh, fair dues. Do you know what I mean? Fair dues. You took the risk and you liquidated. Maybe I put $1,000 in and long it. Live on stream. Who'd like to see that? So a long Mother on stream, $1,000. And we'll see where it goes over like the next week or two. Let me see. If I go on demo trading, then I could probably calculate, couldn't I? I could probably calculate exactly. Exactly. Why is that? Oh, can you only do Bitcoin on demo trading? No, get rid of that then. Let's go back. But yeah, Tomo's got me. Tomo's, because I actually was looking at this. a while ago. I think it was down here. It was just the BLOFIN CEO sending you a special thank you for your content. Well, if he's it, yeah. Come on, what Stonksy? Yeah, we'll have a look. I got rugged by Derpy Dave. Yeah, I seen. Oh, but the Sol. So whoever was obviously on stream yesterday, we had this Sol trade on, didn't we? Where I put it on and I used Stonksy SR to come to this trade. And so far we're in 6% profit. Obviously, it's only a small account, but say if you were playing with, if you were playing with $1,000, this would be up, 7% now. You'd be up $70. And it's only a 3x, so it's very low leverage. But we're not doing too bad, and we're sort of making our way towards here. But I kind of want to go in long mother with Tomo. So maybe we'll do that live on stream. Who would like to see me do that? Who would like to see me long mother? I'll probably do $1,000, 3x leverage. Who would like to see that? Let me know in the chat. But let's go and have a look at some Stonksy indications, shall we? Do make sure you drop a like on the stream as well, because we'll go and do something fun today. Who would like to see me long mother live on stream? Because Tomo told me to. We've got afternoon Justin, the legend. Justin, are you long in mother? Have you looked at mother yet? Tomo's said he's very long on mother, so I'm tempted to join him. Did you say you are going long on with Tomo's mother? That's only on weekends, that crypto, bro. It's only on weekends. Sorry, Tomo. Where's this saying? Good afternoon, Dave. Mike wants me to go for it. We've got Flynn saying good morning. Everyone make sure we got 35 people and go and drop a like on the stream. Bull run is over. Short surfing. Justin, are you long in mother? Go and take a quick look at it and see what you think. If you say you're long in it as well, I'll go and long it right now. If you say if you think it looks like a good long to you, go and check it. And if you say yes, I will go and long it right now live on stream for everyone to see, which will make it fun. We'll look at the chat now. Yeah, go and have a look at it, mate. Go and have a look at it. I'll be longing it on 3x, so it won't be anything too mad, and it'll just be liquidation or dust. No, sorry. Liquidation is dust. It'll be liquidation or moon, but it'll be all Tomo's fault otherwise. But yeah, let's go and obviously Bitcoin. We got this nice push up yesterday, and the Sol trade is doing well from yesterday. Those of you that were here remember the Sol trade. I was using Stonksy SR to come to this long, and I'm looking for 234. Let's go and check out Sol. It was on the 1 hour, yeah. So this is my take profit up here when it comes into this this major resistance on the 1 hour. And I was using these lines to help me. So obviously we had major support here, which it dropped down for a little bit, but reclaimed it. And then this one was my line in the sand. So yeah, this is how I come to the trade yesterday. So we're currently 7% up on very small account, but we might beef up this account in a minute. I will join you on the long, putting a lot of pressure on me, Dave. I'm shorting Ethan Link. Well, we'll be shorting Bitcoin later. Well, maybe if we get a drop down in the market, maybe I'll wait a little bit to long mother then. Maybe I'll wait a little bit if we're going to maybe get a drop in the market. What's Doc doing? This is kind of another one that I want to long as well. Maybe I do $500 on each. Maybe if I put $500 in, maybe I do $500 because it's coming in. This is where I had the thing drawn yesterday, weren't I? Coming in here. Maybe I do $500 long on Doc and $500 long on Mother. Maybe I do that. Because I do really like this base that Doc's forming at the moment. I do like it. It's good. What's the drop on that, though? If we go down there, that's a 30% drop. Would that liquidate me on 3x leverage? I feel like it would get close, wouldn't it? It would probably get close. I don't know. BAL is on my list to long. But yeah, I'm watching this because obviously we drew this the other day. I think Doc was up about here. and I was watching it to come back into this zone to get long on it. But obviously there is the possibility maybe we come down and test a bit lower as well. It's interesting, but I kind of want to let's see what Stonksy's saying on Mother Iggy. Let's get the BLOFIN chart up. I do like it. I do like the look of it. It looks good, doesn't it? And obviously we've got this level here, which comes in. This is where it's found demand so far. The liquidation point will be here. So we'd be close to the September lows, like. But I do kind of like it. I do kind of like the look of it. And obviously we've got, you know, once we break this trend line, maybe we're off to the races then, perhaps. What do we think? Is Mother a meme? Yeah, it's Iggy's meme. It's Iggy's meme. Yes, it's a meme. If Tomo was shilling it, then it must be. Yeah, it's Iggy. I can't say her last name. Iggy Azalea or something like that. It's yeah, it's her meme. But I do kind of want to go and long it. I do kind of like the look of it. But I also like the look of DOP as well. I like the look of DOP as well. I like the look of DOP. I feel like it would be fun to do something like this on stream because we can monitor it each day like this one. Like this one, we're 7% up. Now, the thing is, obviously, this is only a small account. You know, it's only just over $96 in this trade. But we're 7% up, which is obviously, you know, if you're looking to make, you know, grow an account over a couple of months and that, you know, maybe you might look to try and do 1% a day or 0.5% a day, which we had the compounder up last week. If you compound 1% every day, you start with $1,000 and you do 1% every day for a year, you get to 38 grand. And that's just obviously $1,000, 1% a day, you know, taking small risk. But, you know, there, if I was doing that, you know, I've got 7 there, then you've done a whole week's worth in one day. We've done a whole week's worth in one day. Okay, have checked. Have charted it, ready to discuss. Go on. Give it me, Justin. Go on, give me your verdict. I would put a big long on Iggy. So would I, mate. So would I. Every day of the week and twice on a Sunday. Every day of the week, twice on a Sunday. Go on, Justin. Give me your thoughts on it. But yeah, I like this on DOP. We've obviously got Stonksy SR on the daily. Have we got anything on the 2 hour? Not got any indication on the 2 hour, but we have got these 2 support lines. Drew as well. And what's funny is that's right into my box, isn't it? You see where I drew that box yesterday? They're literally right on my box, like top and bottom as well. That's pretty remarkable, that. Like literally to the point as well of top and bottom. Like you couldn't really get much more on there. That's pretty interesting. Let's see if we've got anything on the 1 hour. Yeah, so it's quarter short on DOP on the 1 hour from here. Justin, I'm ready for your thoughts on Mother. Should I do it or should I not? Should I do it or should I not? What have we got on Mother? I do kind of think that she's going to pump it. I do, because she's so vocal. She's so vocal that I do kind of think she's going to pump it. But is this thing on Friday that Tom was talking about, this casino thing, just going to be a sell the news thing? But there's not really anything to sell, is there? Because it's not at a pump. So I don't know. $438 DCA down to 375. See, yeah, that would go close to the liquidation. So you'd be wanting another 20% drop from here, wouldn't you, before you started DCAing down? Let's see. Yeah, down to pretty much where Stonksy's got that line, Drew, as well. So that would be the starting point. Yeah. I mean, I'm itchy. I'm itchy to do it now, but I don't know if it's the best move. I don't know. What about DOP? Are you adding more to your DOP? Or are you waiting for DOP to go a bit further down? I can't believe that them 2 lines are right on my box. Like, perfectly. Invalidation below the August lows. Yeah, that would. Sol moving nicely. Feels like the season for it. Sol season, you mean? What's making you keen on Mother? Tomo? 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 Tomo said he's really long on it. That's it. And she kind of makes me think she's just going to pump it anyway, because there's this thing on Friday. Tomo, are you still in the chat? What's this thing on Friday that's going on? Motherland or something. I think she's opening an online casino on Friday. Anyway, let's have a look at Dot. Someone keeps asking for Dot, so I'll have a look at Dot. We did have a look at Dot yesterday. The thing with Dot is it's not really doing anything. Like if we go to the daily, it's had its push up and it's literally just consolidating now. It's not really doing that much. It's obviously had the big push up. It's come up, come back down, and now it's been a real tight range the past few days. So as we can see here, this is even on the 2-hour chart. It is getting some, volatility contraction though. So I would expect a move soon, but it would probably just be a move inside the range. But as you can see, even here, this has just been, sort of just one range, hasn't it? So if you wanted to do some, lower time frame scalping, that has literally just been within a range. So if we go down, say lower, say the 15-minute, you could literally just play this as a range. There you go. Just from support to resistance until one breaks. And that obviously lines up, we've got a resistance level here and support. But it's not really doing much. It's just ranging, consolidating. So you want sort of a break. Obviously you break down play would probably be, down towards $8 or so. And then the breakout play back towards 10. Dot's not really doing much. Would join you at my levels. Wait for it then. What's the next one? DOP. Yeah, DOP. What's going on with DOP? What's my trade? Oh, here we go. Yeah, we're getting movement on Sol now. We're getting movements on Sol, which is good. Sol is moving. Sol is moving. $9% up now. 10. There you go. 10%. So if we would have done this trade with $1,000, we'd be $100 up now. And this is just on 3x leverage, playing it real safe. So we're making our way towards my take profit. We're making our way there. We're making our way slowly. Do make sure you drop a like on the stream now. It would be a good one today. We're going to do a bit of a long one. We've got 46 people in as well. We've got 46 people in. Thank you very much for everyone who's joined. Make sure you do drop a like on the stream. Hi, Dave. Big cough is gone. Yes, Lio, it's gone. It's pretty much gone now. Pretty much gone. Which is good. Sol Season rotation inbound. Wiz is the dev of Sol Season. If anyone was interested, he's the dev of Sol Season. DOP is all about the weekly close this week. Sol green on the 1 hour. Let's go and have a look. Am I going to get my take profit today? That would be nice, wouldn't it? 15 minutes just gone green as well. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, it's just going green now. It was green on the 5 minute from this morning at 8 o'clock, catching the pump up. Yeah. We're about to play catch up maybe. But do make sure if you want to trade anything, if you want to trade like this, if you want to trade futures and you want to trade non-KYC, do come and join Stonksy. It's the link, first link in the description. I'll drop it in the chat as well. Oh, Stonksy. Do come and join BLOFIN, sorry. It's non-KYC. So you do not have to give them your NID or anything, and you can use it anywhere in the world. If you're in a restricted region, you can use a VPN to bypass the geo block. I don't even know if they have geo block, because obviously, like, I always just run a VPN anyway. But if that does happen, you can just put yourself somewhere else and get in. Yeah, so you can sign up in under 60 seconds. You only need your email. And once you get in, you can just start depositing and trading straight away. You can deposit and trade straight away. But yeah, let's see if we get, maybe we'll get my, if we get a real big candle, maybe I get my take profit on stream today. I'll be on probably until, US Open time. Maybe we do the first half an hour US Open. That would be another 3-hour stream then. But let's see what we get today on. So it looks like it's ready to play catch up, because obviously it's been taking a bit of a hit, hasn't it? People don't want to trade a liquid pairs like Bitcoin or maybe Ether Solana. Instead, they want to go fucking trade DOT or whatever shit they can buy. Well, DOT's actually pretty liquid. DOT is, because it's a major. It's like 10 billion market cap. DOT is very liquid in terms of altcoin liquidity. DOP, yeah, obviously, like it goes down to, I don't know what market cap it is, but I'm guessing it's like a mid cap. So obviously compared to the high caps, yeah, it's a little bit more liquid, but chart looks epic. Feels like it's gonna explode. I get that feeling a lot. But yeah, do make sure you come and sign up to BLOFIN if you want to trade alongside me. How do you know which time frame to look at with Stonksy? For example, some on the 1 minute. Depends what type of trader you are, Foley. So if you're a scalper, yeah, you want to look at obviously lower time frames, like 1 minute and 3 minute. But maybe like I looked at the 1 hour yesterday to build this trade around. So I looked at the 1 hour. The 1 hour support and resistance levels on Stonksy. Nice 1 hour break with Stonks on near and breakout. Superb. We'll have a look. Some look good on 1 minute, but red on 5 minutes. Yeah, they're all. Thing is, you want to take it like, for instance, because the 1 minute, like, you can have a trade open and close, within 10 minutes and stuff, which won't really affect the 5 minute because that's just like 2 candles. So it just depends what type of trader you are. The 5 minute, for instance, like this one here, this opened this morning. This is a day trade. This isn't like a scalp on the 1 minute. The 1 minute, you can have a trade open for, say, 10 minutes, 10 candles. This is like an all day trade. This is on the 5 minute chart. It's taken 4 hours, just over 4 hours, for this to really get going. The accumulation is perfection. It will run hard, says Justin. What's up, everyone? Hello, really? How are you doing? By liquid, I mean pairs that are bound to go up or follow Bitcoin for sure. We've got Kay in the chat saying, afternoon, Dave Legend. Hello, mates. Thank you very much for joining. How are you doing? Great to see you. Thank you for joining the stream. Make sure everyone does go and drop a like on the stream. It will help out the algorithm. We've got 47 people in as well, which is superb. What a great number to have. We've been live for just 40 minutes as well. I have a feeling maybe the thumbnail's doing some magic. But we are just over 10% up now on my trade from yesterday. So let's get it going. Let's get it going to full take profit, hopefully on stream. We'd need quite the, we'd need quite the push up, but anything is possible. Anything is possible for sure. And it's going well, isn't it, on Solana today? It's getting some of that, it's taking some ground back that it's lost recently. What's Sui doing? Sui, again, yeah, there's another one that's gone long today. And it's trying to break that $5 mark, isn't it, Sui? But yeah, green on Stonksy, which has pushed up nicely. The banana zone. Really good, thanks. It's great to hear, mate. It's great to hear. We'll have to have a catch-up soon. I haven't spoke to you in a while. I haven't spoke to you in a while, mate. We'll have to jump in the lounge. Superb. Did anyone hear that on Savory Crypto's video yesterday? So say I published another video by Savory Crypto on the Stonksy channel yesterday, and he cut this one here, Time in Ethereum entry. If you've not watched it, go and watch it after the stream. But he put in a little snippet of me saying superb, and it took me a little bit to try and get onto it. But yeah, it's funny. Great guy. Do make sure you go and check him out. I don't know if he's in the chat or not. If you're watching, mate, that was very funny. So you're looking for correlated assets, not liquid. I think you're replying to ICT there, aren't you? Let's go a car. Yeah, haha. That's why I put it in. Yeah, very good. It was a very good video. Kay is in the house. He is. Kate is in the house. Let's see. Well, we are chugging away nicely on my trade, though. We are chugging away nicely. Chugging away nicely. And, that's it. The power of compounding. It's only a small account that we're using for streams. But, before you know it, we could have this account up to $500 or so with not much time at all. Because the next trade we open, we'll be opening it with, if we go full profit, around about $130 will be the margin on the next trade. But we need to use this up. This needs to be used within a week. So someone give me like a DGen one that we could do, where I could just go and put this on like, I don't know, 30x or something. Do not go and do that with your actual funds, but this is a bonus that needs to be used within a week, where we could try and just catch something really quickly. So if there's anything like that you've seen in the market, let me know and we'll go and put it on. But yeah, still monitoring this trade from yesterday, which is going well so far. Going well. The gang has turned out in force. I know, it's great. What a great stream so far. And we're watching Suey as well at the moment. Suey. Loving the streams, Dave. Thank you, Paddy. Thank you, Paddy. And we've got Crypto World saying 45 watching, but only 26 likes. Hit those likes. Yeah, exactly. That's it. That's it. Soul Season looking banging as a chart. Yeah. I bought more of that yesterday. I bought more Soul Season yesterday. Anything to support my brothers. When memes come back, I bet it pops. It'll pop hard. I've got a nice Costa coffee today as well. Got a nice Americano from Costa. Yeah, we're chugging away nicely on this trade. We are chugging away nicely. If anyone's got a quick scalp that you want me to go and put this bonus on, I'm more than happy to stick it on a high leverage, entertaining long. So let me know if you've got a quick scalp that you see that we could whack it on. Doesn't really matter if we lose it because it's a bonus. It'll go if I don't use it anyway. But if you do have anything, let me know. Sui AI up 36% today. How's Burger looking, Dave? Let's have a look at Burger. Is it on BLOFIN? If not, I'll pull it up on... It's not on BLOFIN. How unfortunate. Let's go and have a look at Burger. Let's see. Burger. Currently in a bit of a... Just having a bit of a sell-off, isn't it? It's having a bit of a sell-off. Let's see. Nice consolidation on it, though. Nice consolidation, obviously. Did it have a big push up? Had a nice steady run, didn't it? Had a nice steady run. And then we're getting a bit of a sell-off. Red on Stonksy at the moment. And we've got sort of, the... where it's meeting supply as well. But it's just in a nice nice channel, isn't it? So I suppose, yeah. The line to break back up towards 70-ish. That's what Berger's looking like to me anyway. Short OM Dave with BLOFIN. Shall I? All right then. Let's go and do it. Let's have a look. OM. You want me to short it? Little mantra one. Well, as like it looks like is this distributing? Because it's had a massive run, hasn't it? Oh, this looks interesting. Let's go and have a look. Oh, is this because this is hard? This has had like one of the best runs, hasn't it? For 2024 in terms of like large caps, because it's obviously worked its way up there. But is this now distributing? It looks like it might be. I mean, look at that. Look at that for run up. But if you go back, let's just turn Stonksy off for a second. Just look at the run it's had. Literally this time last year, it was at 3 cents. It's done 14,500% in a year. So 146x. That's insane, isn't it? And look at it. That chart was just chugging away, weren't it? Just grinding higher, and then just exploded there. I mean, that was a mental day. Look at the size of that candle. Jesus. But this actually looks like it might be distributing now. Do you think this is distributing, Kay? Have a big bite of burger. It's not on BLOFIN, unfortunately. Do you think this is distributing, Kay? It looks like it might be distributing to me after such a run like that. Because like how much gas is left in the tank of that? I don't know. Bang on, Dave. Potentially, yeah. I would say so. This looks like distribution. Question is that high safe? That's the thing you want to. That's the question in it, because obviously you could say this is our distribution range, but could we potentially get a UTAD, so up thrust after distribution, where obviously you might continue maybe doing something like this, but then that high there, maybe you get a very quick move just to take that out. Obviously, people think get long, clear that liquidity, people get long, and it gets back inside the range, and then you get the breakdown. So that would be a UTAD potentially. That's the question. If you do get any sort of clearance on that, that would obviously be not a bad risk reward short, and you'd probably just stick your stop loss around $5 just so you don't get blown out. But yeah, that looks even if you don't get that UTAD, doesn't look like a bad place to start building low leverage shorts potentially. DCA. Yeah, I feel like downside coming in market, slow grind down now. UTAD, up thrust after distribution. Kaz is UTAD, up thrust after distribution. So you get distribution, and then you get the UTAD to clear liquidity above and trap people thinking that it's a breakout. So you get distribution, then you get up thrust to clear liquidity above. So say, for instance, it would come in, potentially clear all shorts above this wick here and liquidity. Then obviously trap people thinking it's a breakout again, so it's going to go higher. When really it's just a trap and clearing liquidity above, and then you get the breakdown. It's just a trap and clearing liquidity. Not to say it happens. It doesn't happen every time. It doesn't happen every time, but potentially, that's something that could happen. Can you explain what distribution means a bit more? It's just the changing of hands. It's just where people that was in early. So say people who maybe even bought all the way down here, or maybe people that bought here start taking profits and slowly just start selling into the market and selling to people that are buying all the way up here. Just, you know, early buyers selling to late buyers. Distributing the coins. Yeah, it's just profit taking. And yeah, that's all it is. Just it's early buyers selling to late buyers. But it's interesting for sure. I'm going to keep an eye on this. Because yeah, like after 146x in a year, how much gas is left in the tank? And the structure wise, it looks like, you know, this looks like distribution. Not to say it definitely is. But this and what adds more to it is this looks just like a blow off, doesn't it? This just looks like a blow off top, like just an absolute blow off, and then distribution. That gives it a bit more weight as well, just because of the size of this move in 3 days. You know, just massive move, just blow off top. It did over 2x in 3 days. But something to keep an eye on for sure. Maybe I will start building a short on this. Slowly DCA into it, and you wouldn't want to do, you know, you definitely wouldn't want to do high leverage on this, because like I say, you know, you might get a up thrust after distribution and clear the top side. But as long as you're not being stupid, just DCA into a short, yeah. But we'll see. It'd be interesting. But thank you very much for that. Okay, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that. VeChain having a moment, and we've got basically how a Ponzi works. Yeah, so how all markets work, isn't it? It's just early buyers selling to late buyers, and then there's no one left to buy then, because late buyers obviously don't have as much capital typically as the early buyers. So then, yeah, once they're done, they'll short it and then dump the rest of the coins to bleed it down. Let's go and see what Sol's doing. So Sol is, oh yeah, carrying on Sol. Carrying on Sol. Very nice. But if you do want to come and, you know, if you want to come and do anything like this, make sure you sign up to BLOFIN. Links in the first link in the description, and I'll drop it in the chat as well. It's non-KYC, so you don't have to give in your ID or anything, and you can create an account in under 60 seconds. There is this video here. I did it on a video. Show you how easy it is. So if you do want to see exactly how easy it is to sign up to BLOFIN, you can come and have a check out of this video here. But it's literally just an email. That's all you need. And once you get in, you can deposit straight away. We're up to 12% now on this trade, which is nice. Let me go back over to Sol. Let's see. Yeah, chugging away nice. But chugging away nicely. Let me know what open positions you guys have got. Someone said VeChain's having a moment. Let's go and have a look at VeChain. Let's see what we're getting on VeChain. Are we long on anything? It's going green on this 1 hour. Had a nice bleed down, didn't it? Well, that weren't too good, was it? That went against us there. But yeah, it is having a bit of a moment. Proper dino coin, this. But Sol's pushing up nice. Bitcoin is pushing up nice as well. Back to the upside a little bit. But let me know what you're trading, and let me know if you want me to have a look at anything. But yeah, we've got TMG in. Big Dave, yes. Hello, TMG. Have a look at Mask. I'll have a look at that now. Mate. Press like, says TMG. Yes, do like the stream. Do like the stream. How long have you been averaging for, Dave? What do you mean? We were just discussing them, TMG, about OM. Looks like it's in distribution. Looks like it's in distribution. So, yeah, don't look bad for DCAing into after 146x in a year. This looks like it might be distribution. It's had such a big move up. Is this like a blow off top move? But this range here, yeah, potentially could be the top for OM, or we could get a UTAD like I explained before. But yeah, that's one we've just been looking at. Let's go over to Sol. Let's go and carry on looking at Sol because it's pushing up nice. It's pushing up nicely. I think I potentially might get my full profit on this live on stream, which will be, what will it be? It'd be probably nearly 20%ish, I think. Would probably be nearly 20%. Aero pulled back to an interesting position. Right, I'll have a look at Mask and I'll have a look at Aero next. I'm in on Sol. I've been for a few days. So first time seeing profit, it's coming into resistance on the 1 hour and 15 minute. Yeah, my take profit is the resistance on the 1 hour, 234. That's where my take profit is. But yeah, even lower. Yeah, it's coming into this level here, which I suppose you could outline. Obviously there. But it's gaining some strength back, so I'll just leave it open. Yeah, we'll keep watching. Stonksy's been long on the 5 minutes since this morning. Good morning. Good morning to you, Word Defined. Good afternoon, actually. I have a pair that you should look at. It's called These Nuts. How original of you, ICT? Dave has never been average. Above average by far. Thank you very much. You're too kind. $83 up on XRP, letting it ride. Very good. 83%. Very good, Lio. Well done. Just curious. PT. What? I can't think. What does PT mean? PT BTC by end of day. I can't think of what does PT mean. Can't even think of anything in my head what PT means. TMG is 500k long on Sol past few days. Oh yeah, nice. It was going bad, now it's going good. Yeah, it's price target. PT is a Femex token as well, but yeah, he must mean price target on Bitcoin by end of day. God knows. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm not targeting anything on Bitcoin. I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm in a Sol trade. I mean, I don't really know what to say to that. I don't know. I don't really try and second guess anything. I mean, if we break above, obviously, if we break above here, which that's not actually the high, is it? It's this high. I don't know. Maybe we head towards 110. Maybe we go down. I don't know. I'm not really going to try and second guess it. Just have to see what mood the ETFs are in. Price target. I don't know. Depends if it goes and breaks its current high, doesn't it? I don't try and second guess it. Go another typo. 800. Oh, you're up $839. Well done, Lio. That's good. Could it finally be XRP $3 day? Where is it? I've got it on here, haven't I? Oh no, I've not got it. Why? What's it on? Well, isn't today? Oh yes, Stonksy been long on it as well on the 5 minute since this morning. Isn't today the 17th? Isn't the day that they released that stable coin? It's today, isn't it? I don't know. I think it's gonna be a sell the news event. To be honest, I know some people maybe don't want to hear that, but I mean, I don't know. I could maybe just see a double top. when you get a big event. I mean, it's a big event, isn't it? And normally sell a news events, so I don't know. I mean, I don't particularly care either way, because I would not be long in it and I wouldn't be short in it. But I don't know. We'll see. But only on 5 small exchanges. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? I wonder why that is. Wouldn't you? You'd think that they'd obviously have the money to just get it everywhere straight away. But I will not be using that stable coin because I imagine there's probably no need when you could just use the others. I don't know. Stonksy is absolutely slapping at the moment. Yeah, it's been really good. Caught this nicely on the 5 minute. Caught Bitcoin nicely on the 5 minute. Caught this Solana move has been nice. And then there was something else that I looked at the 5 minute. I think it was Sui, wasn't it? Yeah, Sui. Yeah, it's going nice. But yeah, Solana is getting some strength back in the market because it's been getting kicked a little bit, hasn't it, recently? It's been getting kicked a bit recently. Oh, and TMG. Everyone's had the BLOFIN bonus as well. Everyone's had the BLOFIN bonus who signed up to the links. So obviously your link, Stonksy link. Everyone got the bonus today. If I was gonna drop it in Discord, but I think I'll just do it after the stream. But yeah, if everyone checks their account, they'll have got a bonus. Was it directly to do with the links, or was that a separate thing that BLOFIN were running? I'm guessing it was to do with the sign-up links, wasn't it? But everyone's had a bonus. Someone got $300. I think other people got like $100. Or even on this small account, on this $100 account, I've had $20 dropped in. But you need to use it within a week. But yeah, so that's if you want to, obviously when you stream later. But yeah, everyone's had a BLOFIN bonus, which is nice. So we'll drop that in the Discord and let everyone know. About the mother and DOP short. There was no mother and DOP short. They were longs. Today's bonus was based on trading volume. Yeah. So everyone who signed up recently will have had the bonus, won't we? So we'll just drop that in the Discord and let everyone know because that'll be obviously a nice little thing for everyone. A nice little bonus for everyone. But it needs to be. Someone said on the email it needs to be used within 7 days. So we'll just let everyone know. So everyone can go on the BLOFIN accounts and use it up. But yeah, I'm 13% up on this. Let me show you something. Because obviously for everyone let me just turn this off a sec because I need to load up a new tab. Hang on, let me just turn this off and I'll load up a new tab really quickly. Where is it? Here we go. I'll just get the link now. Just show you obviously how good it can be to compound sometimes. Let me just think. Do I need any other tabs open? I'm trying to think. Do I need any other tabs open while I'm on here? I don't think so. I think that's all right. Let me reshare my screen now. Share my screen. Window. So obviously I'm currently started off with $100 on here, and I'm currently 12% up after a day. So I opened this yesterday. Now let's whittle this down. So if you did $100 for a full year and you was just looking to gain 1% a day, you would then you'd gain up to so your account would grow to 3,778. So obviously a total gain of 36x, and that's just obviously $100. So if you were starting obviously low, like this, within a day, I've done 12 days there. So I could either be already, 12 days ahead, or then that would obviously give me room to take, a few days off while you maybe look for your next trade. But this is the power of compounding. Obviously, you can see how quickly you can grow a small account into a lot, because obviously it starts off slow, but then, once you start getting to bigger numbers, then you really start to take off then. But, you know, say if you did 2% a day, if you could do 2% a day, obviously it gets a bit more, you know, it gets a bit more challenging. But, you know, if you got good risk management and that, you can afford to do that. So if you could just do 2% of the day, like I've done 12 on a small account, but if you did that every day, you know, 130, but say even if you targeted every other day, you know, every other day to give yourself a break and stuff like that, then even just off a $100 account, if you try to do 2% every other day, you'd end up with 3.5. So that's why, you know, it's good to just manage your risk. You know, I'm only on 3x leverage here. We are now running another bonus. Oh, if you deposit 1,000 and trade over 1 million in volume before the end of the month, they will pay you $400. There you go. There you go. So everyone who's watching, there's 48 of you in here. If you click the first link in the description, and I'll pop it in the chat now. I'll pop it in the chat now. Hang on. I'll pop it in the chat now. This is some good information from TMG. Obviously, the first round of rewards and stuff ended yesterday. But if you deposit $1,000 when you use the Stonksy link, which I've just popped in the chat, first one in the description, and you do over 1 million in volume before the end of the month, so you've still got, you know, roughly 2 weeks, you'll get $400 in bonus. So that is something good. I'll tweet that out later as well. Easily doable, yeah. Works on the Stonksy link. So there you go. If anyone's not signed up to BLOFIN yet, sign up, and it's non-KYC, so you don't need to give them an ID. You don't need to give them an ID, and you can use it anywhere with a VPN. So yeah, do go and check that out. It's a good, and you can use, and remember, even if you are already signed up to BLOFIN, you can just click the link again. So you'd have to sign. If you signed in at the moment, you just have to sign out. But you can sign out, click the link again, and sign up with a new email, and then you could take advantage of this. So you could, you know, if you've already got an account, you could create another account and then take advantage of this. So yeah, even if you've already done the first round of sign up, you know, and obviously got this bonus that they've paid everyone today, you can just sign out your account, click the link again, re-sign up with the Stonksy link, first link in the description, deposit a K, do 1 million in volume, which is easy because just remember that's just 500K in it of closing, 500K of opening. And they'll pay you $400. So yeah, you can take advantage of that. Even if you're already a Stonksy sign up, you just, you know, sign up with a new account. Ask the dot connoisseur about the long you're thinking about, Dave. Yeah, I'll show him now. Stonksy is hitting them consistent on the 5 minute on Bohm coin. I'll have a look at Bohm in a minute. That's book of meme, innit? Trading without Stonksy is a silly idea. There you go. Everyone listen to Lio. And TMG said if you deposit 1 million, oh God, and trade 900 million, they will pay you 100K. Well, that's not bad, is it? When you realise Doge in market cap is worth more than Ford, Logitech, and Harley Davidson combined. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You can also just use your normal account. Oh, right. Okay. All right. So you can still go in. So you can still go on the normal account as well. So that's not all right. So that's not just for new signups. So that's for everyone who's already on the link too. If you deposit $100 and trade 50K before the end of the year, they'll give you $30. So yeah, there you go. So there you go. So it's not just for new signups. Even if you're already on, you know, the Stonksy link or whatever, it will work. There you go. So that's fresh from TMG today. I just found that out on stream as well. So that's good to know. As long as you use Stonksy, mine, or the CSE link, it'll work. So there you are. So if you already signed up with Stonksy link, we will get the offer for depositing 1K. Yeah. So there you go. Nice little bit of information for everyone there. Nice little bit of information. And we're coming down slightly on Sol at the moment, but we're still up 11%. Still up 11%. Let's have a look at this book of meme anyway. That someone said. Let's have a look at book of meme on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's consolidating nicely, isn't it? It's consolidating nicely. We was looking at dot before as well. Obviously, Stonksy caught a nice one to the downside. But potentially, what are you? I was thinking maybe something into this box. This is what we looked at yesterday. Or it might have been the day before. I can't remember. No, it would have been yesterday because yesterday was Monday. Into this box, which is coming into now. Or maybe, a retest of here. And then up. So DOP's a good one to keep an eye out on. And you can trade that on BLOFIN as well. But yeah, we'll see what we're given. We'll see what we're given on DOP. But yeah, Stonksy caught a nice one to the downside. But yeah, let me know what you want me to look at. Still green on the Bitcoin 1 hour as well. So we've got some. If you were trading just for the bonus and not to be profitable, basically give you all the fees back. But if you are whaling, you can farm the bonus and make money. Yeah, it's true. Fish, then it won't be profitable to farm. RLUSD, that's the Ripple stablecoin, isn't it? That's the Ripple stablecoin. So it'd be interesting to see what happens with XRP today. Whether we do get a double top, or maybe it keeps on going. I don't know. I really don't know. But it'll be interesting to see. Maybe people get caught trying to long, the move above $3 and it just does double top and goes down. Or maybe it carries on. Who knows? BNB, we've not got much on the 1 hour. See, most things have just been consolidating. But we'll see what we're given anyway. We'll see what we're given. But yeah, we'll carry on looking at this. Should probably bring my stop loss up now, shouldn't I? Should probably bring my stop loss up maybe to at least there. Maybe to at least below this low. But yeah, Stonksy's been killing it today. Been getting some real nice movement. ETH's stagnating a bit, isn't it? After yesterday's move. So maybe it's time for Solana to overtake again. They already have XRP. Why do they need another stable coin? Has Dolly Parton seen her shoes? Neither has she. I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe that's just gone straight over my head. Subscribe to this channel. Yes, we are. We're growing the subscribers quite vastly as well. We're up to 1.14k now. So we hit a K, I think, just over a week ago. So we are making our way higher very nicely as well. And do go and check out the new videos that went up on the channel yesterday. Particularly look at Save with Crypto's one. Come and check it out. Really, really good video put together by him. And make sure you do check him out on X and his YouTube channel. Reaccumulation or distribution, Dave? On what? On XRP? Do you mean on XRP, mate? I struggle to believe that it's gonna. I don't know whether it's just because of just obviously like the whole narrative of it. I mean, obviously it's shaking that off, but I just struggle to believe it's gonna go like past. I mean, if it went into $3 and that, I could see it, but I struggle to believe it's gonna go past $5. Like anything around that. I mean, even that, for me, would be a 2x. So that's nothing to be sniffed at. But I just think, like, anyone who's been holding it for like this long, it's just, to me, it just screams like the perfect chance to just, take the 5x and stuff and rotate it into something else, and just let people, FOMO into buying the top. On most coins, I know it's funny, innit? Because most of, like, obviously apart from the odd ones like Sui and stuff, most of them haven't even broke their all-time high. You know, ETH's still 20% away. Sol had a little fart over it and then has dropped. You know, Sol's still like 20% away now. Link hasn't got anywhere near it yet. I haven't got a clue about FTM. BNB has kind of broken it on it, but it's not really even pushed on much. AVAX, what's AVAX's all-time high? Must be like $100 and something. So it's interesting because obviously a lot of them have had good moves. 20, 30, 40, 50% moves, whatever. But they're still even like quite a mission away from even, coming close to the 2021 high. So if it was distribution, it'd be quite interesting. Obviously, then preparing for like a wider market pullback potentially. Oh, is that what the joke is? Ah, she's well endowed, is she? Yes, in the upper department. All right, okay. Sui Agents is a beast today. I remember you saying that before, yeah. XRP broke a 5-year trend. It's been adopted by banks. I don't get attached to stuff like that, me though. I don't get attached to narratives of it's the banker's coin and it's being adopted by banks and stuff like that. I don't get attached to narratives and stuff like that. I just look at the chart. And even though it's broke a 5-year trend, like what's left in the tank? What's left in the tank? Do you know what I mean? Because if it doubles in price here, then it's basically going towards hitting ETH levels, isn't it? But I don't get attached to narratives like that, like it's being adopted by banks and stuff like that. Because there's plenty of coins that have been like that. I know it's obviously a massive coin in that, but there's plenty. Look at things like eGold and that. That's had plenty of like partnerships and stuff like that on it. What can you see H-bar hitting? I've got no idea. I can have a look at it, but I don't know. Where is it? I don't know. I don't know why that's on the chart. I don't know. What could I see it hitting? I have no idea. I have no idea. I mean, it's a 2x back to its all-time high, isn't it? It's a 2x back to its all-time. And the problem, I mean, it's ran pretty much 10x on it. It's ran pretty much 10x from its October low. So you would struggle to think that people aren't taking profits here. In my opinion. Anyway. You would think that people would be taking profits. Any Dino coins that still haven't ran? I could check Filecoin, yeah. Love from Germany. Stonksy is the best. Thank you, Itch. That's great to know. If you are signed up to Stonksy as well, come and follow why in Itch loves Stonksy so much and sign up with the link in the description. Narratives are for spot bags. Stonksy is for trading. Exactly. Don't get me wrong. Narratives are good. Narratives are good. Like the AI narrative and obviously the meme narrative and that. I think where it gets a bit too blurred is like, this coin's going to change the world, or bankers are adopting it and stuff like that. I think that's where it maybe gets a bit blurred. Because the thing is, even if they're adopting the chain, they don't need a whole load of XRP, do they? They just need enough for gas. Because there's obviously this stable coin. So they don't need like a mountain of XRP to use the chain. You know, if they actually want to use like the chain, they just need a little bit of amount of XRP for gas, and then the stable coin, because they're not going to be really. Why would you move XRP as like the as the funds? You wouldn't, would you? You'd use the stable coin. So it's not like these banks need to buy up billions and billions of XRP. They just need enough to cover the network fee, and then it's the stable coin they'll be using. I don't know. Not even hating on XRP that much. It's just that's just like you know, obviously about the narrative. It's done. It's outperformed a lot. Do you know what I mean? It was really the first one to move, weren't it? It's had a really impressive move. And you know, anyone who was obviously accumulating it has obviously deserved that run for, you know, obviously holding on to it for so long. Well deserved. But then obviously, you know, do you look at it and think, right, you know, because obviously there'll be a lot of people that have, yeah, even though it's not really ran that much compared to, you know, obviously like everything else. But, you know, if you was accumulating a lot of it, 5x, that's decent returns if you had a big bag of it. So then would you just take that and rotate it into something else potentially? I don't know. Let's go and have a look at something else anyway. Let's go have a look at Filecoin. Let's have a look at Filecoin. Let's see. Has it ran yet? Has it ran? Has it ran? It has ran. It has. It did. It did basically a 3x in November into early December. So it has ran, yes. And now it's in, obviously, it's pulled back. Bit of a cool-off stage, consolidation. So yes, whoever asked if Filecoin had ran, it has. It has indeed ran. And yeah, it's just consolidating. Stonksy is good for profits indication. Yes. SCR is an interesting ticket to trade. I'll have a look now. Looking forward to the day I can run a Stonksy bot on a 3-minute on BLOFIN. That day can't come fast enough. Yeah, that'll be super, won't it? It'll be epic. Make sure you have dropped a like on the stream as well. Farming on the blockchain is a prime example of crypto waffle. Thing is, I don't think something like last cycle that, that would have been like a hot narrative, wouldn't it? Because coins like that ran hard. Last cycle, pretty much anything where you could say, right, oh, this is going on the blockchain, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if a coin like that would do that well this cycle. The NIA trade is flying. Let's have a look at NIA and SCR then. Let's have a look at NIA and SCR. But do make sure if you do want to trade anything, and maybe you want to, maybe you want to trade while I'm trading. Do make sure you click the first link in the description to sign up to BLOFIN non-KYC. And as TMG mentioned before, they are running another promotion where you can get some big bonuses. But if you have been trading on BLOFIN, you will have got a nice bonus like I did today. Some people got a couple $100. So, yeah, you can take that and turn it into a nice amount. Yeah, Stonksy catching another good one on the 5-minute here. Real nice. Can't believe we've been live for an hour and a half nearly already. It's gone quick, that. It's gone really quick. But, yeah, Nia's another one doing well today. Up 5% today. Doing well. Stonksy nailing the 15-minute. Is it on the 15-minute as well? Yeah, nice. Again, long from this morning on the 15-minute. So, yeah, really nice. Really nice on Nia. Let's have a look at SCR. Okay, so we're in a bit of consolidation. Maybe we look at something a bit... Oops. Oh, well, we'll look at the 2-hour. Yeah, it's been a good one, hasn't it, to just ping-pong a little bit. And it's, oh yeah, it had a super run up, didn't it? Super run up in November into December. Oh no, well, started late November. But yeah, a bit of a cool down, bit of consolidation. But yeah, might be able to obviously get a nice just range play going on with it. Obviously, the 1 hour chart's a good example of this. From support to resistance and back again. You can just ping pong that between these two levels if you wanted to. So what Cow's doing. Caught a nice drop on Cow yesterday as well. Cow's one that ran really hard on the 1 hour. Really big returns on Cow on the 1 hour. But yeah, let's see what happens today with XRP. Big day for it, isn't it? Big day. But yeah, do let me know in the chat what you're trading. Or if you want me to cover any tickers, let me know. Or if you just got any questions, give me your questions. It can be about anything. It can be about Stonksy. It can be about crypto, whatever. If you do have any questions, let me know. But do make sure you are coming and joining me on BLOFIN to sign up. I've got 44 people in the chat as well. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. I'm going to have to go to the toilet in a sec, but we are going to stay on for a longer stream today. So do make sure you stick around. I will just be gone for a minute or two while I go to the toilet and grab another drink. But we are going to stay on for probably TMG. When are you going live? Because obviously I don't want to overlap you. If you're planning to do the US Open, I'll come off. But if you're not planning to do the US Open, I'll stay on for it. If you're still in anyway. If you're still in, let me know. And I'll obviously just end or carry on my stream based on when you want to trade, when you want to stream. But if you're not planning on, and you can come on here if you want. I could get you on. You could come on and if you want to pop on here for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, you could come on if you wanted to. It's up to yourself. But yeah, just let me know what you're doing, and I'll obviously work around my stream. If you even maybe you're not still in the chat, I don't know. But yeah, let me know what should we look at next. Obviously, Stonksy's doing really well today on the low time frames, 5 minute charts, working lovely. But I want to know what we can use this. What can we use this $20 on? Let me know what you want me to use this $20 on. And yeah, we'll get it going. I'm expecting to see 72k before 100. Blimey, what? I can't see that. I can't see that. I don't even think we'll get the big pullback. I could see a pullback, but I don't think all the way there because that would just be a gift. That'd be a gift. Like that would be like that'd be the perfect pullback. I can't see it because that would just give the perfect retest. And when would we ever get the perfect retest? Because that's a gift. A perfect retest of all this. I can't see the big players in the market giving this because that would just be it would be the easiest long in the world unless they dipped it back below, which then you are talking like that's a monster. Even for a bull market, that's a massive pullback. 30%. Suppose we did see something like that last cycle, but once you get the troublesome is once you get back into this range, you want to get out of it quickly because then you reopen the door then to all this. But I mean, that would if they give the perfect retest of that, I can't it would be a gift. When would you ever get such a gift from the market? You would have everyone wanting to long that. Even if it did come down there, it'd probably get front run by, a couple of K, 5 or even 5, 10K maybe. I can't see that. everyone what would like why not just carry on up? I know obviously it doesn't make sense that it's not up only forever, but you give people prime opportunities to rebuy. Why not just force them to FOMO in? Because I bet there's still plenty of sideline capital in the market of people who just refuse to buy or even refuse to buy all this and probably still refusing to buy in this. I don't know. I can't see a pullback that much. Yeah, I can't see it. Dave, when will DOP go up? It's killing my P&L. I've got no idea. I was looking at it just then. When are you wanting to stream, Jordan? Do you want me? I was going to do a longer one today, but if you're planning on doing it in US Open, I'll come off. Otherwise, I'll stay on. Happy to take a bet on it. Tenner on it. I would be willing to bet on that. You still bullish on Vanry? I can't even ever really covering Vanry on stream. In 3 hours. All right, well, I'll stay on then. I was going to do a longer one today anyway, just obviously depending on when you was planning to stream, but I'll stay on. I'll stay on and I'll do, you be streaming in 3 hours, so that'd be 4:30 UK time. I'll stay on and do US Open, do the first half an hour US Open, and I'll have done a 3 hour stream again. I would be willing to take the bet as well that we do not go and see 72K. I would be willing to take that bet. Dave's always bullish on everything. Well, it's worked so far, hasn't it? It's worked so far. Obviously, before we started streaming here, you won't have known, but in all this range, you've got to be positive, haven't you? You got to, because we've had the good move. But I was tested loads in this range. It did get pretty grim at one point, didn't it? Like when we was down here and that, it was pretty grim. I remember this day, that was grim. I took a great screenshot that day of when everything was down like 20-30%. Pretty much down here. But yeah. Yeah, there will come a time when it's obviously time to flip the other way, which I think will be in Q1. But it's worked pretty well so far. So it was Martini who spoke on Vanry. Looking to short Vanry, says Justin. Let's have a look at Vanry then. Let's see what Vanry's doing. But yeah, DOP. This is what I drew out yesterday, Jordan. Was maybe a dip back into this zone, which it kind of has nearly, and then obviously back up, or maybe we get a double bottom on it. But the thing is, anyone who it's building a good base in it. Like this is looking like a good base. It's looking like a good accumulation range. And anyone who was in the pre-sale and that at some point, obviously, most of them have got to be shaken out. But it's looking like it's building a good base. If you remove the ticker and all obviously the controversy around it, if you didn't know this was DOP, if everything was removed and you just seen this chart, you would say that this is building a good base. It's just because of obviously the controversy around how it listed and obviously everyone in the pre-sale and stuff. But if you didn't know the ticker, you would say this is looking like a good accumulation range and a point where obviously sellers are really getting like squeezed out. I would say anyway. I would say if you didn't know the ticker, you would say, well, it's forming a good base that it probably looks like it's going to run at some point. So just because you add the ticker doesn't really mean any different because, eventually all the people that have sent it down and, continue sending it down, they'll all be flushed out eventually. Might take a while. It might take into January, might take into February. But generally, the longer the accumulation, the harder the pump will be once it goes. You probably get like a full sort of reversal of all this within maybe 1 or 2 days. Let's have a look at Vanry anyway. Someone wants Vanry. Let's have a look at Vanry. What should we do for Vanry? been long on Stonksy for a couple of weeks, which has paid off nicely. We're just getting a bit of lower time frame chop, aren't we? This is where you want to be, you just want to be trading it in a range. Resistance, support. All as you do is, until you get a break on either end, you just sell resistance and you buy support. And then when it breaks out, you're wrong on shorting it and you flip long. If it breaks down, you're wrong on longing it and you flip short. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Couldn't be more easy. But yeah. I don't know. Let's see. What's it doing on? Yeah, nice run up. Nice run up since November. Stonksy caught a nice move down on the daily as well. Solana doing? Had a little bit of a pullback on Solana on the 5 minute now. Oh, no, not this again. No. Oh. Hang on. Stop share. I hate it when it does that. I can't find any way to fix it live on stream. So I have to stop sharing my screen, which is incredibly annoying. Let me go back on. Let me go back on. But yeah, do make sure that you drop a like on the stream. Let me add. I've not put some music on in the background as well. We'll add some music for a bit of ambiance. We have got the music on in the background as well. When people are scared, it's the best time to buy. Just low lev or add spot. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Generally a good time in it. Generally a good time to add is when there's the most fear in the market. Good lesson for sure. But yeah, what are we down to? What's going on BLOFIN? Let's see. Down to 9. It's fine. Still 10% up. I'm just going to leave it open as well. Just going to leave it open. I'll probably bring this up now. Can you do that? Can you drag it? How do you drag it? Oh, there we go. Probably bring that up to about 210. So we'll see what happens with that today. But do let me know what you're trading. We've got 43 people in as well. Do make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. And if you haven't joined Stonksy yet, and obviously you've liked what you've saw so far, do click the link in the description. And what's going on here? Do come and join Stonksy. So you can come and try it for a month if you want to. £145, roughly £4 to £5 per day. So it's very cheap for a month, and you can cancel anytime. Obviously, we have the annual sub and the lifetime sub, and the one that's tied into CSC Plus Premium. But you can pay for any of these with crypto as well. And if you do have any other questions or obviously queries about paying with crypto, you can click the hyperlinked email address. But yeah, do come and sign up for a Stonksy sub. Stonksy sub. And you do get access as well to the Discord with this. It's all included in the welcome email, all the information and good stuff. So yeah, it's never been a better time. Obviously, we're having a good push up to all-time highs on Bitcoin. Moving into, the end of Q4, start of Q1. Come and, if you've been on the fence, come and treat yourself to an early Christmas present and come and get the monthly plan. Come and sign up today. And obviously, come and join the best non-KYC exchange in BLOFIN. Deposit 1K and trade over 1 million in volume before the end of the month, and you'll get $400. Easy. So yeah, do come and join us. Either at Stonksy or BLOFIN or both. Got to drop now, Dave. But thanks for the great stream. No, thank you, mate. Thank you for thank you for joining. Have a good one. Trade up 33% on 15x. I'm guessing that's on near. How do I upgrade my Stonksy to annual? I'm on the monthly now. So two ways. So you can either go on your Stonksy. Do you want to pay in crypto or do you want to pay by card? That would be the first question. If you want to pay by crypto, email us or click here. That would be the first one. If you're already on the plan, you can go into your Stonksy account on the website, then just unsubscribe from the monthly plan, and then just choose the annual plan. Or if you want, you can email us and we can send you an invoice. You can just stop your monthly sub on your Stonksy account and email us, and we could even do you an invoice if you wanted to. Whatever works for you. So if you want to pay in crypto, click crypto payment or email us. If you want to do it yourself by card on the website, so if you want to pay by card, just go into your account on the Stonksy website, unsubscribe from the monthly, and go and choose the annual plan and sign up there. A couple of ways there for you. Card. Yeah, so do that, Co. Just do that. Go into your Stonksy account on the website, click unsubscribe from the monthly, and then go back into the plans, choose the annual, and sign up that way. If you do have any issues though at all, do drop us an email, contact@stonksy.io, or obviously the email address is here, and we can just send you an invoice over, which you can then just click the Stripe email and pay. So a couple of easy options there for you. But yeah, any issues, just drop us an email and I could just send you an invoice over if you wanted. But yeah, just do obviously make sure when signing up for the annual, you do unsub from the monthly plan, so you don't get charged every month still. But yeah, that's great that you want to sign up for the annual. Very good to hear. Very good to hear that we'll have you around for a full year. Please check Kaz. I can do that. I'll check Kaz and then I'm going to go to the toilet because I've been on an hour and 40 minutes and I need to go to the toilet and I need to get a quick drink. So I'll be going in a second, and do make sure you stick around. What have I done? Jazz. Oh. Kaz. Let's see. Currently in a nice drop on the 1 hour. Obviously got support level identified by Stonksy. So yeah, we are we're in a nice profit on this 1 hour trade, and we've got obviously 2 support lines identified below. Caught it on the 15-minute nicely as well. So yeah, we want to I would say obviously these are 10-minute and 15-minute all caught it, but you probably particularly want to watch these 1 hour support lines in terms of maybe catching a reversal. Are we gonna get? Oh, maybe we'll get a new all-time high live on stream. Maybe we'll get a new all-time high live on stream. Let's go. Let's carry on watching Bitcoin, shall we? Let's carry on watching Bitcoin. Maybe we get an all-time high live on stream. This is the all-time high currently. But yeah, I'm just going to nip the toilet really quickly. So there's 46 people in. Make sure you do drop a like on the stream and don't go anywhere. I'll literally be 2 minutes and I'm going to stay on for another hour and 15 minutes to watch US Open and the first half an hour. So do not go anywhere. I want to see you all in the chat still when I'm back. I'll just be going to the toilet, grabbing a quick refuel drink, quick refreshment. And then, yeah, I'll be back. So do make sure, fill the chat with questions as well. It can be Stonksy related, crypto related, or just anything. you want to ask me a random question and get some random discussion going like we had yesterday, that was great. So do make sure, get any random questions in the chat as well, and we can have a good discussion about anything. But yeah, I'll be literally a couple of minutes. Don't go anywhere. Enjoy the background music and enjoy watching Bitcoin potentially about to make a new all-time high again. And I'm back. I am back. How are you all doing? Did you miss me? Did you miss me while I was gone? I bet you all did. Getting a little drop on. We could hear. That's not true, because you definitely wouldn't be able to hear me from where I have my my desk. And 2, I muted my mic. So it was wishful thinking, that crypto, bro. It was wishful thinking. Well, what should we got? We got roughly 45 minutes before US Open. So how should we entertain ourselves is the question. This trade's coming down a bit. It is getting a bit stuck there, isn't it? On this level. Right across here. crossed. It's getting a bit stuck there. It's Solana. Maybe we could try and... Should we try and short Bitcoin into the open? I feel like I'll just... Right, do not do 100... What would it be? Maybe we could just use that, and maybe we could just try and short it from here. You really shouldn't... Nobody follow this. Nobody... Make sure you never do this, unless obviously you experience the leverage. I'm just going to use the $21 up. What would be the stop loss on this? That can't be right. On 50x? Is that right? $108,500. That can't be right. On 50x leverage? I can't figure out how that is. It's going to cost me. It's going to cost me because I'm using such high leverage. Yeah, let's not do that. You have good aim. Is this a DJ play? Yeah, it was going to be, but I probably shouldn't do that live on stream. Maybe we just try and short it. Maybe we just try and short it. Thing is, I've got this. I was thinking we do just like maybe should we try and short it into the open? What's the 1 minute doing? So the 1 minute is actually red. Maybe we could follow the 1 minute. Or maybe we just add it to the sol long. I don't want to bring the entry up on the sol long, no, that's the thing. What do we all think? Up or down on open? Up or down on open? Don't short Bitcoin yet. I want to use this bonus. I want to use this bonus. Up or down on US Open? What do we think? I'm very interested in starting to build something around this, though. Very interested in to start building something around this. That was a superb catch, that, weren't it? And then we got caught just doing sideways action there. Let's see what's hot. What's hot on got cow. Oh, here's your favourite one, Justin Cow. Stayed on BLOFIN for hot. Stayed on BLOFIN, SPX 500. Cow's third on the hot one. Giga. See what's got the most volume on the memes. Doge, Pepe, Turbo, Cat. I think that got listed on Binance yesterday, didn't it, Kat? I think it got listed on Binance. Deco, just send an email and we can sort. I was looking at it. When do you need? I think you get 7 days on it, mate. So we all got it today. So you get 7 days to use it. I just thought it'd be funny to do on stream. Yeah, he's gonna have. Yeah, I went through him all, Jordan, on what to do. Said if he's got any issues, just drop an email. Placing to add profit back into Cow. Yeah, Cow's been really good for anyone who doesn't know. Cow, Stonksy's had a really good push up on Cow. Maybe it's going for it. You know, could it do a third leg? Could it do a third leg higher? Similar sort of pattern emerging, isn't it, to this? Where, you know, it's up, then obviously like channel downwards, break the channel, and then up again. So, you know, same again, like channel downwards. So could we get a similar one where maybe, you know, it rounds off, breaks the channel, and then again for a third time? Maybe something like that. Potentially. So TMG thinks it'll be flat on US Open and ETH will pump. Distributing at the moment on Cow. Yeah, similar sort of pattern, isn't it, to this? Very similar pattern, where you just get the downwards, the slow bleed downwards. And then obviously it'll reach a point where, you know, people have sold that wanted to sell. And then obviously you get a bit of sideways and then potentially higher. Be interesting to see for sure, because Stonksy's still is it green on still green on the 2 hour as well. So green on the 2 hour, green on the 1 hour. Wonder if it's green on the 30-minute. Caught the last leg. But yeah. Be interesting to see for sure. Down, up, and down this afternoon. Andy's just opened along on Aero as well, double bottom on the 5 minute. Let's go and have a look at Aero then, shall we? How's your trading challenge going, Andy? What are you how's it been going? What are you on now? So Andy's on an Aero long. Wiz said as well before that it's coming to a good point. Some nice formation on the 1 hour candles there. Obviously, we had a nice tweezer there. Nice tweezer pattern. But obviously then the drop down. Good absorption. Maybe I should follow Andy, because Andy's Andy's been smashing the trades recently. Is Aero on BLOFIN? It is on BLOFIN. Just closed the Nia trade. Very nice. Very nice, mate. Well done. Maybe just max long this and just put it like liquidation point down there. Try and get the reversal on Aero. What do you think? Should we follow Andy? I'll just use this full $21 and just have the liquidation point like down at 188 or something. Is ETH at a nice spot entry? Look, double top. Spot entry. It's tough, innit? Because the good thing is it's broke a good level on the weekly. if we go to the weekly, obviously we've got the most recent one highlighted here by Stonksy. So obviously we've had two tops there, which is correct. But if you go to I would probably draw it there because that's where the first lot was. You could even, you could put that where you wanted, or you could put it there if you wanted. If you wanted to take the most recent one where it found trouble, but I think I would go historical and put it there. Doesn't really matter. Well, what's key is, you see this absorption on a weekly candle here. Really good absorption on the weekly candle. Creating this big long wick. In terms of a spot position, though, it's difficult in it though, because obviously you could say, yeah, it's 20% away from its all-time high still, and then could break out. But this was the area if you wasn't already in it, this was the area to accumulate spot. This was weeks and weeks and weeks of opportunity. It's difficult in it because I obviously I can't. It's not financial advice, so I can't tell you to go and buy spot. I'd just say it's tough because obviously even up to 6 to 7K, obviously nearly a 2x is good, but there was all this opportunity down here, so it's tough. It's tough to say, yeah. As a trade, it's different, isn't it? But we'll see. Scotty Charisma is. I wouldn't even pay attention to double top. I'm not really a big patterns person. I don't really trade on patterns. I'd rather just look at, where it's at on the chart. I'm not really a big patterns person. Smash like and subscribe. TMG says that right. Smash like and subscribe, and make sure you do sign up to BLOFIN, where we are looking at all live trades. First link in the description. If you sign up today, hang on, let me show you. If you sign up today, or if you already signed up, if you deposit $1,000 and you trade over 1 million in volume before the end of the month, you'll get $400 in bonus. And if obviously you already have been trading, you can still get that. You can still do this. Even if you're already on the sign up link, you can still qualify for this. But if you have been trading, you will have got a nice bonus today from BLOFIN as well. If you'd already been, on there the past couple of days and weeks. So do make sure you check your BLOFIN account. But yeah, there's a new offer on a deposit $1,000 and trade over 1 million in volume before the end of December, and you get $400 in bonus. So do make sure you go and take advantage of that. First link in the description. Thanks, Dave. Looking to skim my Bitcoin profits and jump into ETH. Yeah, I suppose it just depends. Just depends, doesn't it? Just in short, on Ethan will be adding. I do wonder what type of market open we're going to get today. I do wonder. I am itching to use this $20 on something. I'm itching. Yeah. Let's see. What are we up to? Yeah, oh yes, we gained a couple more subscribers today. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna plug. I need to plug my. I need to plug the charger into my Mac, so we don't run out of charge live on stream. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it? It'd be an absolute disaster. Do you know what I did order today? Actually, I've ordered myself. You ready? You ready for this? Let me just get the correct word. I've ordered myself a kimono. I've ordered myself a kimono, a silk kimono with dragon embroidery on it. I've ordered myself, a silk kimono. It's like a sort of dressing gown, sort of robe thing, but it's got like dragon embroidery all over it. It looks cool as anything. It's blue and all the embroideries in gold. So I've ordered myself a blue silk kimono. So when it gets delivered tomorrow. I don't know if it gets here in time. I'll tell you that I'm sat here in a kimono. Honestly, it looks cool as anything. It's so cool. Justin thinks 108 to 109 and down. Strap on. No, it wasn't a strap on. It was not a strap on. Dave the Scouse version of Hugh Hefner. Oh, mate, I've wanted one for ages. And I just thought, do you know what? I'm just going to order one. It wasn't even that dear. Thing is, I don't even know what got it in my head because I haven't thought about getting one for a while. But yeah, I just thought I'm just going to order one. So yeah, that's what I've ordered. Good times. Does anyone else here have a kimono, or or maybe you might go? Maybe people don't even know what one is. Maybe you don't even know what one is. I suppose I could actually get up and show you exactly which one. I'll get up now and show you exactly which one I've ordered. Let me just get it up. Where's the share button? Here we go. Copy. Copied the link to it. There we go. What's going on there? Why is that so... Right. Amazon. There we go. Right. Let me reshare my screen. And I'll show you exactly what I've ordered. It's cool as anything. Honestly. It's cool as anything. It was cheap, you know. It was cheap. Right, let me find the exact one. Where is it? None of these. Hang on. None of these either. Let me get it up. Let me get the exact wording of it up. Maybe I could just copy that. If I copy that and paste this in here. God, what's this going to paste now? There we go. It's still not coming up. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at that. That's got the shorts to go with it. It's kind of like this a bit. It's got like dragon embroidery all over and it's blue. Kind of like that. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool as anything. Is this the start of the outfit for the stream, Dave? Maybe. Doesn't Cobra Tate wear one? I've no idea. If he does he? Probably does. It sounds like something he might wear. I don't really pay much attention to him. So I don't know. Like a posh table dinner. I'll just be walking around the house and it'll be cool as anything. Dave's struggling to get it up while streaming. Well, that's it. Not for the first time, Justin, let me tell you. Not the first time I've had some poor performance when I really needed it. My name is Dave Bond. Dave's Camino has been rugged. It looks like it has. I've been rugged by Amazon. I'm not a fan of Tate, a bit of a clown. I don't really have any thoughts on him, to be honest. I don't pay attention to him. I don't really care. So yeah, I suppose. I suppose you could say I'm not a fan of him either, but it's not. I don't really have any thoughts on him, so yeah. I don't have any thoughts on him. I think he's just, I don't know. Yeah. Just one of them people in it where people either like him or hate him. He's like Marmite, I suppose you could say. But I just don't really have an opinion. But what should we look at? We've got 20 minutes until US Open. So what shall we look at? What shall we look at? Do let me know in the chat. And do make sure you stick around because we are going to be streaming US Open. And do make sure, you sign up to BLOFIN. Let's see how my trade going. Oh, we're down to 7% now. Should I have taken profit before? Ooh. Should I have taken profit before? Should we long this? Who thinks we should long Aero? It's looking like some good absorption in it on the 1 hour candles. I kind of want to long it. Who thinks we should link? I'm going to have a look at link. I swear. Oh yeah, link. There we go. It's a nice drop down, isn't it? Nice drop down. This ran hard last week, didn't it? Up to $30. Getting a bleed down now. We done Doge. Has Doge done anything? The last time I looked at Doge, it was just in like a really boring consolidation range. Has it even moved out of that? Yeah, it's still there. It's still there. It's still in this range, isn't it? It's been in this range for weeks. It's been in this range for a month, actually. Literally doing nothing apart from ranging. This is literally just for ping-ponging it between the range high and the range low. Or playing this little mini range that it's created here as it's consolidated. You could just ping-pong it between there. Or obviously, long, short, long, short. And then it's obviously created a little bit more of a range, but short. Oh, look, long. It's done nothing for weeks. So there's not really much to say about it. But Link, yeah, Link's had a nice drop down, hasn't it? I'm guessing, are you short on Link, Justin? Are you short on Link? But yeah, do get your questions in. Get your questions into the chat. Do. Do get your questions in. About anything as well. It can be about anything. I'm not fussed. I am not fussed at all. It can be about crypto, can be about Stonksy, can be about anything. Yeah, short from yesterday. Nice. You got a nice drop down on it then, didn't you? You got a nice drop down on it. And if you are just coming to the stream, do make sure you drop it a like, please. Much appreciated. We're going to sit back. Who's going to win the Premier League this year? Do you know what? Thing is, I obviously want to say Liverpool, because that's who I support. But I think it depends on what happens in January. Because in January, we need a left back, we need a striker, and we could do with a centre mid, really. And with the type of way that we spend money, I don't think it's going to happen. But that's what we need. If in January we got a left back and a striker, even if we didn't get a centre mid, if we got a left back and a striker, I would say us. We are going to, we'll win it. But I think if we don't, I think we'll struggle. So I don't know. It's definitely not Man City now. Definitely not Man City. So I think it's out of us, Chelsea. And I don't think the thing with Arsenal is you're really struggling in open play, aren't you? Because I think you support Arsenal, don't you now, Justin? I say now, support Arsenal now, you support Arsenal. But I think you're really struggling in open play, aren't you? Because obviously you haven't got like a good striker. And obviously the left-hand side's a bit of an issue for you in terms of a left winger. So it's interesting, isn't it? And then you've got Chelsea, who are sort of just like the no pressure. You know, they've got no pressure on them at all. Just silently, you know, just doing the business. I think we probably will. I think we probably will win it, but it depends in January. Because if we go into January and we don't sign anyone, then you're asking for trouble then, because you want to build on it. You know, we didn't sign anyone in the summer. He didn't sign anyone in the summer. So, you know, there's plenty of money there to go into January and say, you know, we're in a really good position, you know, for the Champions League and the Premier League. Let's go and get a striker. Let's go and get a left back. And if we do that, I think, you know, we've got a real good chance. But if we don't, I think we're asking for trouble there. Yeah. But we'll see. The one thing for sure is it'll be an entertaining finish to the year. It will be an entertaining finish to the season for sure. I think probably the most interesting thing is Pep even going to last till the end of the season? I think that's one of the most interesting things is he going to last? And I don't think he'll get sacked. I don't think he'll get sacked. I think he might just reach a point where he literally just blows up. Like I don't think he can take any much more of this. Like he looks like he's just like a broken soul, doesn't he, Pep? Like I don't think he can handle what's happening to himself. So I think, you know, if they lose a couple more games and that, I think he might just lose it. But I think, yeah. But yeah, Arsenal do look lost. Yeah, they do. Just need a focal point. Havertz just isn't it, is he? Need a striker. Anyone seen any UFOs yet? No, that's all in America, isn't it? All in America going on with all them flying drones and shit. And stuff like that. What's Liverpool Airport like? Do you know what? I haven't been in years. I haven't been to Liverpool Airport in years. The last time I was there wasn't that much. So I couldn't really tell you because I haven't been in to Liverpool Airport in a good few years, so I'm not too sure. I mean, there will be some stuff there, but obviously not as much as Manchester. Direction for USA Open, we thinking up or down? It's interesting, isn't it? It's interesting. We'll see, won't we, in 15 minutes? Did you use Stonksy to buy your Camino? No. I actually used my debit card. However, if this we're down to 6% now. Should have took profit on that. I might add this to it actually. I might add this to the Sol trade. We're coming all the way down. But yeah, if we go full profit, then that would be the Camino paid for. So yes, Stonksy might just pay for the Camino, which would be nice. First day using Stonksy after watching your content when the US market's open. Is it best to enter a trade soon after or wait? Depends what time frame are you looking to trade. If you're looking to scalp, then yeah, just wait for the low time frame. You know, the 1 minute, 3 minute indications. Probably 1 minute. So, you know, take advantage of the volatility. Just obviously, you know, just make sure you've got your risk managed. You're not using too high leverage and stuff. That's the most important thing. Don't go in, you know, gung ho. Make sure you're still using, you know, a sensible amount of leverage. I think it will be Chelsea, tough Gerrard and Demba Ba not playing anymore. Yeah, that was an interesting day for sure. That was an interesting day for sure. No, they were also. Oh, was they? Oh, right. Oh, well, I didn't know. I didn't know. I heard they're searching suitcase for a nuke. Yeah. Perhaps an old warhead removed from Ukraine. Now they are trying to find it. What is this? Is this actually true? Searching for a nuke. Apparently, there's a missing nuke. What? What a strange end to the year that is. That wasn't on my bingo card for the end of the year. There's a missing nuke. Well, you know, let's hope that doesn't get, you know, into the wrong hands. Then I suppose. Reason for the drones / UFO sightings apparently. What? It's in the UK. There's a missing drone in the UK. A missing nuke in the UK. Or is this? You said it's from Ukraine. Or is it suspected that it's in the UK? Who honestly blows me? Yeah. Well, normally it's smoke and mirrors, isn't it? Normally it's smoke and mirrors. You know, what are they trying to distract? You know, what are they trying to distract you from? That's the thing. It's normally smoke and mirrors. What are they pushing out a story for to try and distract you from? That tends to be what it is. But we're about to push up to a new all-time high on Bitcoin as we head into US Open. Apparently some Pengu airdrop live. %. Yeah, that's typically what it is, isn't it? That's typically what it is. Go corn. I know it is. It's going, isn't it? Corn is going. It's going for it. We'll see what happens. Come on, Sol. Thing is, once we break above this line, we should be straight up to my take profit then. It should be straight up to the take profit line. Apparently there's some airdrop or something called Pengu. Does anyone know anything about that? An airdrop of Pengu. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is a good moment. This. I don't think we've ever really watched an all-time high break, have we? Live on stream. I don't I can remember anyway. So this is a good moment for us all to sit here and watch. You know, we can virtually all hold hands. We can virtually all hold hands and watch this historic moment all together. And you can always remember the time that we all watched Bitcoin break through $107,765 all together. Go, 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 go. Yeah. But does anyone know anything about this Pengu airdrop? I'm trying to find out about it now while we're on. Apparently there's some... Yeah, we are. We're all crazy, Richard, that's for sure. Apparently there's some Pengu airdrop. But I don't want to click a link unless it's coming from... Does anyone know anything about this Pengu airdrop? Tomo, are you still in the chat? I want to see if I'm eligible for this Pengu airdrop. I don't know if anyone... Tomo. Yeah, the thing is, Scotty, I don't want to click any links, and I definitely don't want to connect my wallet to it. So I'm waiting for someone that I trust to send me the link, to send me the claim link. I don't want to click just a random, because someone's probably just created a fake one and just spreading it around. It's really check your old wallet, Sol or ETH. I will. I'll check it. I'm just waiting for someone to send me the proper claim link, because I do not want to click anything dodgy. Because I've used MetaMask for years. I think it's MetaMask and Phantom, isn't it? I've used them for years, so I should be eligible. What is this Pengu doing? I think that's on BLOFIN, isn't it? I'm guessing it's tanking if this claims live. Is it? Pengu. No, that's Peng. Is this it? Peng? Or is it Pengu? Oh, I don't know anymore. Is this it? Peng? I'm guessing that's the airdrop then. I'm guessing that's the airdrop. Tomo, are you in the chat, mate? I want the proper link. Please don't send me a phishing one. I'm guessing this is the... I want free moolah. Got released on Sex today. I think I'll be eligible for this as well, but I want Tomo to send me the actual proper link, because he's already claimed. He's already claimed, so I want him to send me the link that he's used. I don't want to pick some random one. So... suppose I can wait and be patient, like, but I want to find out. My MetaMask has been used for years and years and years, so hopefully I'll be eligible, which will be good. Hopefully get a little bit of moolah for it. Can't say no to free moolah, can you? Pengu just dropped on Bybit. So I'm guessing that's a different one in it to that Peng I was looking about. What you need to be eligible. Yeah, you need to be eligible for it apparently. And it's I think it depends on how long have you been using your wallet. I think it depends on how long you've had your wallet for. This Pengu airdrop. TMG, you still in the chat? I bet you've got a couple $100 worth of it then. I had MetaMask over 4 years. I think you might be eligible then, John. Just don't do anything stupid. Just don't obviously do anything stupid about, clicking random links and stuff like that. Do not connect your wallet to anything unless you know it's it. Let me, old ETH and old SOL are eligible. What do you mean, old ETH and old SOL? Where can I find the genuine link? Is it Peng? Is it Peng on Solana? Or is that, no, there's Pengu in it. Where can I find the official Twitter for it? What's the official Twitter? I can't keep up with all this, me. I can't keep up with it all. Where can I find the oh yeah, US Open, here we go. Is it Pudgy Penguins? Is it Pudgy Penguins coin? Oh, it is. It's Pudgy Penguins coin. Oh, right. Okay. Let's see. Right, US is open. Yes, it's the Penguins. All right. Okay. So if you go on Pudgy Penguins official Twitter account, make sure it's the official one. They have tweeted it out an hour ago with the claim link. Right, let me click copy link. It's open for 88 days, so you haven't got to rush. You haven't got to rush to do it. Just make sure it's the official one. Do not do anything stupid. But yeah, we're pushing to a new all-time high on Bitcoin at the moment. I'm just gonna go and check all my. I'm gonna go and check my MetaMask wallets. Let's see. I want to. Has anyone checked their wallets for Peng? Has anyone got it? I'm gonna check mine now. Oh, what's going on here? Let me see. Oh, if I haven't got anything, I'm gonna be gutted. I want to type in a link. There we go. Has anyone checked? You got 3K everything hacked? Oh wow. Link ETH wallet, MetaMask. Edit. Let's do Can't remember how many accounts I had. Let's just do the first 8. Connect. I've got 5,890 Pengu. How much is that worth? How much is 5,890 Pengu worth? I don't want to connect my Thingo. How do I claim this? Why is it making me connect my Solana wallet? What's going on here? $300 USDT. That's all right, that, for free, isn't it? That's all right. That's not bad. But why is it making... It's making me try and connect a Solana wallet, but I'm on MetaMask, so what's going on? Can you add Solana to MetaMask? Does anyone know if you can do that? I'm going to see. I'll have a look at my Phantom as well. Let's have a look at my Phantom. Hopefully it's on Phantom as well. I've got one. Link Sol Wallet. Account. Advanced. Link Sol Wallet. I want to link more than one account. Oh, do you know what? I've got a decent amount here, you know. I've got a decent amount actually across a couple wallets. I've got another 2,300, 2,700 on one of my Sol wallets. This isn't the most easy thing to do, this, is it? So if I go on wallet 2 and then back on there, oh, man, honestly, this isn't easy, this. Like if I link this, so I've got 0 on that one. If we go on account 1, and I link that. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Claim your Pengu. This is want more future airdrops. Pengu. Create a publicly available. No, skip and claim Pengu. I'm claiming some Pengu. Is anyone else? Oh god, I need Sol in the wallet. Ah! Right. This isn't the easiest thing in the world to do this, is it? Right. Let me send 0.1. Oh, we're getting a push down on US Open. We're getting a push down on US Open. Is anyone else claiming this Pengu as we're live on stream? As Bitcoin's taking it from the US Open. Bitcoin's absolutely getting it, isn't it? Right. Let me go and do this again. Is anyone else doing this while I'm on here? Is anyone else going claiming their Peng? Right. Let's try this again. I'm trying this again. Right. God, not the easiest thing to do. Right. Continue to claim. Claim my Peng. Right, there we go. What do you have to do to claim it? Well, it depends how long you've used Phantom and MetaMask for. It depends how long you've used Phantom and MetaMask for. However, I'm trying. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna. Oh, here we go. Right, let's see. A transaction failed then on claiming. This is gonna take me ages. I think I'm gonna do it later. I bet Solana is just getting absolutely battered with this now, and it's probably no wonder transactions are failing. This isn't going to go through, I bet. Yeah, transaction error. Brilliant. I'm going to do it later. But let's go. So I've got 2,700 on that. And I think I've got 3,000. I've got 5,000 and something on this Ethereum wallet, which I'm going to have to add. No. God. This is rubbish, this. I've got, let's see how much I've got. Connect. Right, across all my MetaMasks, I've got 5,890 Pengu. I don't know what's going on there. Right, it's connected the ETH wallet there, but it says connect multiple wallets. Right, so now I've linked my wallet. I've linked my wallet. I don't know what's going on. Now it says connect your Solana wallet, but I don't know. What is your primary use for MetaMask? I don't use it anymore. I used to use it loads. I switched over to Phantom really, but claim my Pengu. I want to claim my Pengu, please. if I could. But yeah, we're getting a push back up, aren't we? We're getting a push back up on Bitcoin. My Solana trade's basically just gone back to entry. Sad times. I cannot claim this for anything though on Solana. Is anyone else having the same issue? It just will not claim. Getting a nice push back up though, aren't we? About to break all-time high. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Is anyone else having this where it just network? It just won't claim. Just says waiting for signature. Oh, there we go. It's done it. Oh, and there we go. We're breaking through. Just broke the all-time high. Live on stream. Make sure you drop a like on the stream for the all-time high break. Oh, that's only, I suppose it's $125. It's better than nothing. Right, now what I need to do, I need to check if I have any anything in the ETH. Oh no. Oh, you could, can you use Coinbase wallet on it as well? That's that. Let's see on account 2 if I've got anything. Let's see if we've got anything on account 2. Yeah, 0. 0 on account 2. What about on account 3? I hope that's not it. Yeah, the site is bugged majorly. Rubbish. Got nothing on that either. Got nothing on that. I think I've only got that then. I think I must only have that Pengu. I don't really have that much. Thought I might have got more for that. But anyway, that's still not bad. Still got $127 in one wallet anyway, in one account. Now let's take. Yeah, we're on a new all-time high. Spam the chat for new all-time high. New all-time high, and yeah, drop a like on the stream. So is it only for MetaMask and Phantom, or can you use a Coinbase wallet as well? Is what I'm interested in. Could we potentially? Can you use a Coinbase wallet as well? Go, 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 go. There we go. Pushing up to 108k. I've got a little bit on. Oh, man. The site is bugged. When when you try and claim on an Ethereum one, it comes up saying connect Solana wallet, but you've already connected your ETH wallet. So I don't get why it's asking you to connect your Solana wallet. I've got some on. It works on Coinbase wallet too. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to sort it out later because it's wrecking my head. It's really annoying me. But yeah, so we are pushing up now. We're pushing up. Make sure you do drop a like on the stream and come and sign up. Come and sign up to BLOFIN. First link in the description. It's non-KYC. You don't have to give them your ID, and you can use it worldwide with a VPN. And when you deposit 1K and trade over $1 million in volume, that's make a take a volume. Before the end of the month, you get $400 back. That'll cover a lot of your fees. So do click the link in the description and sign up and deposit 1K and trade $1 million to get $400 back. It says for the best experience, we recommend you claim using your desktop site. Check SLF. I can do that for you. Everything hack, of course. After that letdown, Dave, don't like penguins anymore. Oh, mate, honestly. I think I'm going to have to put beef in as well. Anyway, but spam the likes in the chat for the all-time high. Spam the likes in the chat for the all-time high. $108K SLF. Let's see. I've got it up here somewhere. Out here. Been taking a bit of it. It had a big old wick, didn't it? Stonksy caught a nice. Big old move up there, and it's been in a slow bleed. Stonksy's caught a lot of the bleed. But yeah, it's coming back into like obviously key support. I'm back into key support now. It might not be a bad place for a bounce. What is SLF? Self-chain. Self-chain. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see. Oh, 108K. 108. 108K. Are we going to keep going? Well, Solana's not really moving, is it? That tiny tiny little pump up off this Bitcoin pump. Ethereum's not really doing much relative to it anyway as well. See this, we've established that this isn't that anyway. That's not what I thought it was. Let's see. Should have closed this before, shouldn't I, when it was up there? I'm just going to leave it open anyway. Just going to leave it open. I'm just about to dump this Pengu. Just going to dump this Pengu. Not really much, like. Well, suppose it can't be sniffed at. Nothing to be sniffed at. And then it's the other ones I really need to claim off me Ethereum ones and stuff, but just not working. Well, we'll see. Yeah, if you do want to come and trade with me, make sure you sign up to BLOFIN. Links in the description. RLUSD released an hour ago. Very good. Where's it been released on? I mean, it's a stable coin, isn't it? So it doesn't really matter. Let's see what XRP is doing. Where is it? Yeah, do enjoy your peng if you got some, if you got some claims through. Well done. Well done. Can you check ILV Illuvium? Yeah, I'll check that now. Tokens on Sol will be deposited there. All-time high break though, superb, really good. And it's good that we watched it live on stream as well. One in it. Yeah, that whole Pengu thing was a bit wild. Yeah, we're in a bit of a downtrend on Illuvium. Is it Illuvium? Something in it. Coming into key support on the 1 hour. Obviously, if we hold that, potentially a move back up. If we lose it, might not be the best. Could drop down to here, Had a really good push up though on Stonksy, didn't we? Catching all the legs higher. But yeah, caught that drop nicely. I think, yeah, at a critical point, like. I think if it loses, this on the 1 hour, this support line, yeah, we could drop lower for sure. How do you manage the family time around trading time when the market's 24 hours? You just got to set rules for yourself, haven't you? You don't need to catch every single trade. Do you know what I mean? That's the mentality you've got to be in. Otherwise, you'll make yourself mentally ill. You just outline, trades that you're looking for, and just wait for them. Don't feel like you have to be on your phone monitoring the market 24 hours a day. Otherwise, you'll drive yourself insane, and you'll be, and you won't make the best decisions as well. Just decide, trading hours for the day, and then, set it when you can't be at the screen. Just set alerts around your plans and wait for them. Yeah, it has been tanking, hasn't it? It has been tanking. Go all the way up it. Yeah, not too long ago. And we're continuing to push higher on Bitcoin as well. We are continuing to push higher on Bitcoin, which is really good to watch. This is currently the high, basically the highest point Bitcoin's ever been. Right now, all Bitcoin holders are in profit, which is pretty mad to think about, isn't it? But we're at all-time high now, so no matter where you bought previously, you are in profit on Bitcoin. Unless you manage to buy the top of this wick somehow. But all Bitcoin holders are now in profit. So corn breaking up out of the channel. Yeah, it was in a rising channel, weren't it? This is good. I mean, we're at 3 hours now. We're at 3 hours. I suppose we'll stay on for a little bit longer to see what happens while we're breaking all-time highs. But I'll stay on if anyone who's not signed up to BLOFIN does put the link in the description, top link, and I will drop it in the chat now as well, actually. If you come and sign up to BLOFIN as as a return thing. If you're not signed up to BLOFIN, non-KYC, you can use it anywhere in the world, and you can sign up with just an email in under 60 seconds, deposit and start trading. And if you deposit $1,000 and you do 1 million in trading volume before the end of the month, you'll get $400 given back to you in your account. So do make sure you do that. It's a superb offer. That basically you'll be able to cover all your fees pretty much. You'll be able to cover all your fees for doing that volume. So do make sure you head over to BLOFIN and do that. Yeah, we'll see what happens in the next 5-10 minutes or so. I've got a feeling that you just can't claim this Pengu on any Ethereum wallet. There must be a bug or something. Because you connect an Ethereum wallet to it. You connect an Ethereum wallet to it, and then it asks you to connect a Solana wallet. Which doesn't make any sense. Because it didn't do that on Phantom. It is Pengu. George, the ticker is Pengu. The ticker is Pengu. But I just don't get how you claim on... I don't get how you claim when you're using an Ethereum wallet because it won't let you. So I'm guessing you probably just have to I'm guessing you just have to, I don't know, do it on desktop maybe. Yeah, that's not the same one. That's a different one. It's a different one, George. It's a different coin. So I've connected my ETH wallet there. This is what I mean. I've connected my ETH wallet. And you to continue to claim, and then it wants you to connect to Solana wallet, which Makes no sense whatsoever. Oh, I don't know. Oh, hello. I remember you. Hello, how are you doing? Thank you very much for joining the stream. Having a good day? Yeah, not bad. We've had a really good stream. We've been on for 3 hours. My Solana trade is in profit. It was in more profit not too long ago, but hey ho. And yeah, I've got some peng, the airdrop. So not so bad. Not so bad at all. Cannot complain. I'm going to send that to BLOFIN. I'm going to send my peng to BLOFIN. Deposit. Sol. Solana. There we go. And I'm going to send my peng airdrop to BLOFIN. There we go. Brilliant. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it, does it? Doesn't seem like we've had a good reaction off that now. We've not had a good reaction off that, that's for sure. CSE is live. Oh, it's Spud live. Do make sure. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll go off now. Right, go onto YouTube, everyone. Go onto YouTube and type in crypto saving expert on YouTube, and go and head over to Spud now. Go and click this link here. So go on YouTube, which obviously be on now. Type in crypto saving expert and go and head over to Spud. Go and give him a watch now. We've got 30 odd people in here. Let's all go over to here. Go over to him now because I'll come off. We've watched Bitcoin all-time high together. Everyone go and head over to Spud and let him know that I sent you. Go over to Spud and let him know that I sent you. Say that Dave sent us here. Go and watch him. He's live now. Spud does a great stream. So we've got 36 people in. Make sure everyone goes here. Type in crypto saving expert here on YouTube. Crypto saving expert. And click this one that's live. Go and head over to him now and type in Dave sent us here. So make sure everyone goes over. Thank you very much for joining the stream today. It was brilliant. Nice over 3 hours long. And I'll catch you all tomorrow at the same time, 12 o'clock. But yeah, make sure everyone heads over to Spud stream. Go and raid him now. Crypto saving expert on YouTube here. And click the live one. And make sure you let him know that I sent you. Go and raid the stream. Well, thank you very much, everyone. And I'll catch you all tomorrow.